Hello everybody, John Nielsen of Nielsen Cleaning. We're here in DeLand, Florida. We're actually in the Bent Oaks division, here right off Taylor Road. You can see my truck there. We're doing this roof. We've already started. I just wanted to show you what happens when you don't clean your roof as you let the growth grow. Let growth grow, yeah, that's good. You see here? So when we say that what's on your roof is alive, it really is. It's a plant growing on your roof. And you can see here the dark streaks. These are stages. So when you see it dark, you're like in stage 2, and then this right here turns into stage 3. You see that underneath the eave here? And this is where it gets really ugly. And we've actually seen roofs where the whole roof is covered with this. But the darkness will eventually grow into that. And it's like, look, it's fuzzy here. So when you start seeing the dark stripes on your roof, it's time for a cleaning because you're one step away from getting the lichen growing. Give us a call, Nielsen Cleaning, 386-956-3406. Thank you. Bye-bye.